Hello guys, welcome back to OU Top 10. Today I'll be sharing with you guys 10 most celebrated festivals among the Igbo people of Nigeria. The Igbo are an ethnic nation native to the south central and southeastern Nigeria. Geographically, the Igbo homeland is divided into two unequal sections by the river Niger. An eastern section, which is the larger of the two, and the western section. The Igbo people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa and celebrate some of the most popular and most unique festivals. Number 10. Ede Festival, also known as Edaro Festival or Irede Festival, is an annual festival celebrated by the people of Anambra State and Enugu State. Ede Festival is a colorful festival that celebrates the harvest of cocoyam. Women believe that if sowing and harvesting of yam, which is reserved for the male, are celebrated, sowing and harvesting of cocoyam, which is reserved for the women, should also be celebrated. Number 9. The Okrosha Festival. The Okrosha Festival is one of the most widely celebrated festivals in Imo State. The Okrosha Festival is a festival of music and dance and merriment. The festival is celebrated towards the end of harvest season. During the Okrosha Masquerade Festival, the masquerades gather in an arena and entertain the visitors with thrilling dance. Number 8. Odo Festival. The Odo Festival is celebrated among the northern Igbo people of Enugu State, especially among the Nsukka and Udi people. The Odo appears as a male and female masked figure played by men who are members of the Death Court Society and whose identity is required to be kept secret. The term Odo is used to describe the return of the dead who spend 6 months among the living during the festival period. Number 7. Ine Festival. Ine Festival, which is more popular among the Igbos of Delta State, is celebrated in most Western Igbo communities. In Asaba, the capital of Delta State, which is one of the communities that celebrates the festival, it is a 5-day event that held in the 5 villages that make up Asaba. It is a celebration of war and peace, and it features war dance, military-like parade, reenactment of old battles, and other related events that spices up the annual festival. Although with a different name, the festival is also celebrated among Eastern Igbos, especially in Abia State.
Number 6, Igbo Festival.
Unlike the Mao Festival, which is the gathering of tens and thousands of different masquerades, this masquerade festival particularly celebrates the Igbo masquerade. Igbo Festival is a rivalry cultural festival that attracts people from in and outside the state. The Igbo Festival has existed for millennia and involves so many kinds of Igbo masquerade performing different kinds of cultural dances.
Frank, you told me to Frank, I got the big.
Number 5, Igwaro Festival. The Igwaro Festival is an annual festival celebrated to mark the Igbo New Year. The Igwaro Festival is celebrated in some Anambra communities to flag off the annual planting season. The Igwaro is one of the most colorful and most unique festivals in Igbo land, especially among Ume. The festival has a prime position in the life of the people due to the economic importance attached to it. During the festival, the priest is expected to make prophetic utterances, pray for the people, and bless the land for the coming season. Number 4, the Iwakwa Festival. The Iwakwa Festival, also referred to as cloth-wearing ceremony, is a festival celebrated once in 3 years to mark the rite of passage for male between the age of 20 to 30 years, depending on the community. No doubt, the Iwakwa Festival is the most youthful festival and one of the most colorful festivals celebrated in Igbo land, especially among some of the communities in Enugu State, Imo State, and Abia State, like Ubo, Obowu, Etiti, Mbano, and some communities in Olo. Number 3, Mao Festival. Mao Festival is one of the most prominent festivals celebrated among the Igbo people. Also known as Obako Mao, the gathering of masquerades. The Mao Festival, unlike that of Odo Festival, Igbo Festival, and Damamba Festival, Mao Festival is a celebration of different class and kind of masquerades. During this festival, the masquerades gather in the village square to entertain the villagers with dance, and chants. Number 2, the Ofala Festival. The Ofala Festival is a celebration of royalty. This is the official cultural outing of the king and members of his cabinet. The Ofala Festival is an annual ceremony practiced mostly by the Igbos of Anambra and Enugu State, especially Onitsha, Nnewi, Aguleri, Nkpo, Mako, among others. The festival is celebrated usually within 1 week, depending on the community. The Ofala Festival, which marks the end of the retreat of the king, is celebrated within 1 week, depending on the community. At the end of the week-long retreat, the king emerges during the festival to bless his subjects and say a prayers for the community. Ofala is celebrated annually beginning from the coronation of the king to his death, which the latter is known as the last Ofala. Number 1, the New Yam Festival. The New Yam Festival of Igbo people, known as Iwaji, Irijoho, Ikeji, Afiolo, depending on community or dialect, is an annual festival celebrated in almost every Igbo community and beyond. The Igbo people believe that yam is the king of crop and the most important. The New Yam Festival is therefore a celebration depicting the prominence of yam in the social-cultural life of the Igbo people. August, September, and October are 3 special months in the Igbo cultural calendar. Each year, thousands of Igbo sons and daughters troop out mass to celebrate the annual New Yam Festival. This age-long festival, which is as old as Igbo culture itself, is usually held between August to October, with the date determined by each community. The aim of the New Yam Festival is to officially present the newly harvested yam to God and to the ancestors of the land. The festival is also an avenue to thank God for sustaining the life of the farmers, the indigenes of the land, and the farm products through a successful planting season. The New Yam is indeed a colorful event which has become a major tourist attraction. The New Yam Festival is celebrated throughout Igbo land and it's usually accompanied with cultural music, dance, wrestling, masquerade display, among others. Have you attended an Igbo festival before? If yes, what was your experience like? If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.